Step Up English. Take the next step to fluency.
Wild animals. Pets and farm animals. A 1 English vocabulary. 1. What are animals? Animals are living things. They can move, eat, grow, and have babies. Examples of animals: cat, dog, lion, cow, bird. We can put animals into different groups. The 3 common groups are wild animals, pets, farm animals. 2. Wild animals. Wild animals are animals that live in nature, not in our homes. They usually live in forests, jungles, deserts, mountains, oceans. Wild animals find their own food and live without people caring for them. Examples of wild animals: lion, tiger, elephant, giraffe, monkey, zebra, bear, fox, wolf, snake. Example sentences: a lion is a wild animal. Elephants are very big. A monkey can climb trees. A zebra has black and white stripes. A snake is long and dangerous. Easy description words: big, strong, fast, dangerous, tall, beautiful. More examples: the tiger is strong and fast. The giraffe is very tall. The bear is big and strong. 3. Pets. Pets are animals that live with people at home. People love pets and take care of them. We give pets food, water, a place to sleep, love and care. Examples of pets: cat, dog, rabbit, fish, bird, hamster, turtle. Example sentences: my cat is? Since user asked in English, only keep English. I have a dog at home. A rabbit has long ears. The fish swims in the water. A bird can sing. Easy description words: cute, small, friendly, soft, lovely. More examples: my dog is very friendly. Her cat is soft and cute. We have a fish in a small tank. 4. Farm animals. Farm animals are animals that live on a farm. People keep them for food, milk, eggs, wool, or work. Farm animals usually live in fields, barns, farms. Examples of farm animals: cow, sheep, goat, horse, chicken, duck, donkey, pig. Example sentences: a cow gives us milk. Chickens give us eggs. A horse can run fast. A sheep has wool. A duck can swim. Easy description words: useful, calm, big, small, strong. More examples: the goat eats grass. The pig is pink. The donkey is strong. 5. The difference between wild animals, pets, and farm animals. Wild animals live in nature, do not live with people, may be dangerous. Example: lion, tiger, elephant. Pets. Live at home. People care for them. Usually friendly. Example: cat, dog, fish. Farm animals. Live on farms. Help people. Give milk, eggs, wool, or meat. Example: cow, chicken, sheep.
Step Up English. Like, share, subscribe.